back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Study ring. They actually have come out with a whole range of study related accessories. So they have a study cuff, a study bracelet and a ring. So the studs that I'm talking about, they are basically the LV studs, and these are the studs that you would find at the bottom of the LV bags or at the bottom of the luggages. So they have designed an entire like accessory line based on the studs. There's actually earrings as well, so these are the designs that they have. So you have the cuff, the bracelet, this was the ring that I got. You have some hoop earrings, some elaborate earrings and some stud earrings. So it's a very cute collection, and I think it's very cool that, you know, they kind of use part of like what they already have and created a whole collection out of it. So this is the bag that the ring comes in. This is the LV like holiday bag for 2017. It's got like nice little design right here, and it's just a very pretty bag. And it comes with golden type of little handles right there, which make it look so cute if you're giving this as a gift to someone, which I am to myself. Okay, so the receipt comes in the usual LV envelope, which is very like laminated and all that good stuff. So this is the Christmassy gift wrapping packaging that they have for this year. It's like a little bow that goes around the box, and you have a card here whereby I think you can write messages if I'm not mistaken. And I'll do like a close-up of this unboxing at the end of the video. So it has like a little blank card that comes with it, but it's just a very cute packaging right there with all the different Louis Vuitton designs. And as usual, their accessories come in like a cupboard or a drawer type of box, and it has this blue tag here where you open it up and the stuff, the goodies are basically in there in those felt tip little bags. In this study ring, it comes with two little bags right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up the let's open up the big bag first. Before I open it to show it to you, the thing about these study designs is that the studs can actually be interchangeable. So it comes with rose gold, silver and gold colored studs, and you can basically interchange. I know you can do it for the earrings, you could do it for the ring and the bracelet. I don't think you can do it for the cuff, but I may be wrong. So this is where the stuff that you could use to interchange your jewelry sits in. How freaking cute is that? It's got some fingerprints there, but it's basically a small luggage which is made up of like heavy metal, and it's got like the LV designs all around right there, and it opens up. It has like a frosted little mirror here, which, you know, it's not practical, it's not functional at all, by the way. And it has like a little magnet that closes the little luggage. In there you have the three studs that you could interchange into your ring. So you have the silver colored one, the rose gold, and then the gold colored, and they all sort of sit within the luggage. It has like a little hole for it to actually sit in, and you could just place it very comfortably into the luggage, and how you would store them. So that's the close-up of it, and it gives you an idea of how the studs basically look like. So how it works is, in the other bag you have the ring itself. So this is the other bag that comes with it, super cute, and this is the ring. So the ring looks almost kind of industrial in terms of the design. It comes with two gold studs. So when you interchange, you don't interchange both, as in you will not get like two rose golds or two silver. One of it will always be like a gold colored, or if you use the rose gold and the silver, it will be rose gold and silver. And this particular stud, you could open it as well. So let me just unscrew it. So it's like a screw mechanism, and you basically have this as the ring. And the bracelet is the exact same design, except it's like bracelet format. So I'm gonna put it onto this finger right here, and that's how it looks like. it has two little balls peeking out by the sides of your hand, and this is like a design where, you know, it's not a new design or whatever, but it is very cool. The back is just a rounded flat back, so it's gold plated, so it's really cool and really nice, and it's just a classic design. For me, I could actually wear it on this finger, or I could wear it on my other finger, which is here as well. So it has a very nice look to it. I think I'd wear it for parties. Oh, I can also wear it on my fingers kind of all have the same size, so that's, I think with the rose gold and silver, it has a slightly more casual feel to it. So it looks like this. So it's 3 colors all together. It's a lot more casual, and I also wear a lot of silver pieces in my wardrobe, so this would be good to kind of interchange as well. So this is how it looks like with silver and gold. Very pretty. And this is how it looks like with the rose gold and the gold. So there is a difference between the two gold colors, and it's not too obvious like from afar, but as you get closer you can see the difference, and it just makes a slightly more casual feel to it. So other than that, in the box you have like the usual Louis Vuitton description, I don't know, franchise fantasy, I don't even know what this is. Yeah, okay, let's see. Avoid direct contact with blah 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 blah. So obviously this is not like pure gold, it's just gold plated or silver plated, so you do have to be careful when you're dealing with perfumes and all that good stuff. I'm excited to kind of rock this out. I haven't worn it out yet, but so far I've been pretty happy with other LV accessories. The other birthday gift that I got for myself is also a piece from Louis Vuitton, so stay tuned for the unboxing of that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. So now if you want to look at like the up close unboxing of this ring, stay tuned.